बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम जी, मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 8 सितंबर 2024 के अखबार में। अकाउंट्स फाइनेंस प्रोग्रेसिव सर्विसेज कंपनी रिक्वायर फीमेल कम कंप्यूटर ऑपरेटर हैविंग वर्क एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंटली handling finalizing accounts with knowledge of tax returns, Excel sheets and formulas. Limited vacancies, handsome salary, fringe benefits apply with CV and photograph. Last and expected salary. Email cvmpsguards@gmail.com. WhatsApp CV 0300 8223326 0300 8223326. मल्टीपल की जॉब से हायरिंग इन एडमिन एंड अकाउंट्स डिपार्टमेंट्स, असिस्टेंट अकाउंटेंट, एजुकेशन बीकॉम एट लीस्ट 4 to 5 years पोस्ट क्वालिफिकेशन, वर्क एक्सपीरियंस एनी अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर i.e सेज 50 क्विक बुक्स etc एक्सेल स्प्रेडशीट, सबमिशन ऑफ monthly/quarterly/annual statement of withholding taxes, filing of monthly sales tax return, accounts payable and receivable, reconciling the company's bank statements, computer operator, education, graduate, at least 3 to 4 years work experience, professional in Word, Excel typing speed 30 words PM, knowledge in English letters drafting, requirement electrician, education intermediate, at least 5 years work experience, professional in all types of electricians work like main electric panels connected with K electric generators, chiller system, solar system, and knowledge of network cabling and digital. PAPX. Email your CV imran@aa-associates.com. Suzuki Jinnah Avenue Motors, Bahria Town, Karachi. We are hiring for the positions. Number 1 receptionist plus sales consultant ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है फीमेल. Number 2 कस्टमर रिलेशन ऑफिसर फीमेल. Number 3 यूज्ड कार मैनेजर मेल. Contact 031326858010 031326858010. Email jobs@suzukijinnaavenue.com. jobs@suzukijinnaavenue.com. Gulshan Memar and Bahria resident preferable. A commercial trading company located in the site area is currently looking for candidates to fill the following vacant positions. Number 1 manager accounts, number 2 manager imports, number 3 assistant accounts manager, number 4 data entry/computer operator. Preference given to candidates with an accounts related to experience. Number 5 sales executive/assistant with DAE/BE in mechanical. Interested candidates are invited to send their CV to email hr@causertrade.com. hr@causertrade.com. Office in Karachi looking for staff, office work, video editing, counter staff, telephone operator, teacher staff required, hotel management, graphic designing, digital marketing, video editing. Contact email CV on jobscareercv@gmail.com. jobscareercv@gmail.com. We are required. Number 1 production in charge, number 2 accountant. Candidates contact Aslam Sahab 0321242973 0321242973. Job training internally required. BCom or BBA student is required for a company located near Atrium Mall, office number 220B for box, second floor, Panorama Center, Fatima Jinnah Road, Sadar, Karachi. Send CV on below mentioned details. क्या लिखा हुआ M asma wala associates@gmail.com. M asma wala associates@gmail.com. Contact 0334 3198 191 0334 3198 191. Do not WhatsApp the CV please. रिक्वायर्ड प्रोक्योरमेंट ऑफिसर, वी ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ एक्सेल ग्रुप आर लुकिंग फॉर प्रोक्योरमेंट ऑफिसर एक्सपर्ट इन सर्चिंग इंटरनेशनली फॉर आर टेंडर बिजनेस. जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन: searching tender, preparation of tender documents with the team, attend a tender meeting as per need, finding vendors/suppliers locally/internationally/tender execution at the end. Apply hr.etipak@gmail.com, hr.etipak@gmail.com. WhatsApp 0331 223 4422, 0331 223 A well-known firm is urgently required of a well-experienced and a well-qualified person who knows about how to bid on local and foreign tenders, intending inquiring with procurement department DEPT, business writing, computer literate, strong communicate with foreign suppliers. Job full-time basis. Address 8/35 RK Square, Shahrai Liaqat, New Delhi, Karachi. Phone number 021324155548, 021324155548 and 021324200613, 021324200613. We are seeking an experienced expert based in Karachi for field work in rural Sindh. Ideal candidates should hold a degree in agriculture or engineering or a related diploma and possess 5 to 10 years of experience in industry or agriculture. Preference will be given to those with such a strong background. Join us to make a significant impact. Apply now to become part of our dedicated team. Please contact at ns@omegapk.ltd, ns@omegapk.ltd. अच्छा जी, ये लेक्चरर्स एंड स्टाफ रिक्वायर्ड. LRBT स्कूल ऑफ ऑप्थेल्मिक पैरा मेडिसन कोरंगी. LRBT an equal opportunity employer is committed to safeguarding children and vulnerable adults. Invites applications for the following position for its School of Ophthalmic Paramedicine Korangi, Karachi. Position lecturer BS Optometry, 2 positions. Eligibility MPhil/MS PhD in optometry or equivalent. Degree awarded after 18 years of education in the field of optometry as recognized by HEC. Experience of teaching or lecturing BS optometry classes will be preferred. Candidates having international qualification will also be preferred. Strong ability to communicate complete concepts clearly and effectively to students. Experience in developing educational materials. Course coordinator BS Optometry, 1 position. BS Optometry, BSc Vision Sciences, BS Medical Technology, Clinical Ophthalmology from HEC recognized university. 3 years experience in curriculum development, program management or academic administration will be preferred. Ability to design, review and update the curriculum to ensure it meets educational standards. Good verbal and written communication skills to interact with students, faculty and other stakeholders. Salary will be commensurate with qualification and experience. In addition, LRBT also provides health and life insurance cover for Employee Provident Fund and LFA. If you meet the above criteria, apply online at https://lrbt.org.pk/career/ or send your CV at careers@lrbt.org.pk latest by 15th September 2024. Females and persons with disabilities are encouraged to apply. Only shortlisted Candidates will be called for interview. LRBT HR Department, LRBT House 37C, Sunset Lane 4 Phase 2 Extension, Defence Housing Authority, Karachi 7550 75500। अच्छा जी, एक और जॉब है LRBT की स्टैटिस्टिशियन रिक्वायर्ड एट LRBT सेंट्रल ऑफिस कराची। ये आप लोग खुद देख लीजिएगा। अच्छा, एप्लीकेशंस आर इनवाइटेड फॉर द पोजीशन ऑफ स्टैटिस्टिशियन फॉर इट्स सेंट्रल ऑफिस कराची, who will be mainly responsible for the following: collect data and maintain in database, process large amounts of data for statistical modeling, graphic analysis and various reports as required, identify relationships and trends in data. Eligibility: BS/BSc in statistics, mathematics, economics, data science, computer science or BCom from a reputed university, at least 3 years of working experience of managing statistical data of a reputed organization, must have good command over MS Office, especially MS Excel, statistical packages and preferably database management, must have clear understanding of statistical and mathematical terms and concepts, ability to communicate results and findings to non-statisticians, high level of accuracy and strong analytical skills. Salary will commensurate with qualification and experience. In addition, LRBT also provides health and life insurance cover for employee provident fund and LFA. If you meet the above criteria, apply online at https://lrbt.org.pk/career/ or send your CV at careers@lrbt.org.pk, careers@lrbt.org.pk, latest by 15th September 2024. Females and persons with disabilities are encouraged to apply. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for interview. LRBT HR Department, LRBT House 37C, Sunset Lane 4 Phase 2 Extension, Defence Housing Authority, Karachi 75500। अच्छा जी, एक और जॉब है। वांटेड अननीडेड गारमेंट्स मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी इज़ लुकिंग फॉर द फॉलोइंग पोजीशंस बेस्ड इन कराची: ऑडिटर अकाउंट्स, ग्रेजुएट इन अकाउंट्स/फाइनेंस, proficient in accounting software with at least 3 to 5 years experience in accounts auditing, merchandiser/assistant merchandiser, graduate, 3 to 5 years experience for knitted garments. Line QC, male/female, must have 2 to 3 years experience for knitted garments. Send your CV at merchtex@gmail.com, merchtech merchtex@gmail.com, 0332925545, 0332925545. Required a reputable pharmaceutical manufacturing industry located in Korangi industrial area. Urgently hiring for the post of assistant/deputy manager. Engineering qualification: mechatronics engineering experience 5 to 6 years. Pharma experience is preferable. Skills: machine automation, PLC programming/troubleshooting, team management. Goal oriented. Please send your updated CV at hr@mediflowpharma.com, hr@mediflowpharma.com. Quality control and RD officer requirements: BSc in food science, must have 3 to 5 years experience in FMCG manufacturing industry. Responsibilities: checking incoming raw material and packing material, GMP compliance SOP follow, quality check before dispatch, new product development trials, maintenance lab, daily testing, ISO/Hilal/Sindh food PSQCA compliance and audit yearly maintenance of hygienic in production area. Send your resume at karachitaste@gmail.com karachitaste@gmail.com। तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो।
अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।